Okay, I don't know if I got a broken fridge here or not. I got this 1956 Crosley, and I got the 3-in-1 starter. Got it wired up, white, red, black on top, and I'm getting nothing out of it. I checked the resistance. I got 3, 2, and 1. Add the two lowest together, and they equal the highest. So I'm thinking the windings are okay. But you see, all it does is the relay keeps kicking out. I've got it on the white, and getting nothing except for when it clicks. I get a very slight reading just for a second. Anybody knows what's wrong with this? See there. Anybody knows what's wrong with this? Please, can you help me out? Okay, thanks.